Most stuff, yeah, these usually screw onto the, oh, this part of it. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's different. Yes. Oh, you know what it is? The thread inside is left. See the thread inside is, but this is the outside.
I thought I heard of his.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got.
So you're connecting the poles to the...
Yeah.
That gas is certainly working. I can smell it.
I smell it.
Yeah.
Got a leak somewhere here. Got a leak.
What has a leak? Oh, the propane tank.
How's it doing? Should we have some tough on tape for this?
I don't think it's that. I think it's this. The valve on the tank is.
You don't want to do anything that's dangerous.
The battery's dead. 100% dead. Yeah, it was your tank. When you bring it back, you gotta tell them it's leaking from your stem. On the other one.
Get you, Michael. Okay, no, fine.
It's not on, all that battery's loading it down. Or you need a battery. It doesn't have a magneto in it.
Oh. Hey, Gregory! All right, Gregory.
Oh, yeah.
Any sign of life is good.
Let me make sure the choke is on. The choke is open. I'll be loading it down. Might be loading down the regulator. Ooh, I smell semiconductor. Yeah, I smell semiconductor. That's every light. Tank. What you got to do is sniff around here, see if you smell gas. If you smell gas, then you got a leak on it. If you got to run it with a little slight leak in it, keep the tank far away from it. If you got to run it, you could also plug a fan into the generator, have it blowing on the tank, so it keeps the propane going that way. If you had to run it on a small leak, if you had no other choice on it.
Ventilate.
Ventilate. Right. So then basically what you do is you got to make sure your choke is open. Now if you look on there, finger on it.
Okay.
There's a little black pin. What you want to do is you want to have your choke all the ways open.
This is all the way to the right.
All the way to the right, because if you have your choke closed, okay, when you're on gasoline, then what you do is you put your choke to your left, you start yanking it maybe a couple times once you start pop, and then what you do is back your choke off little by little. As it warms up, it will pick up. And then basically when it's running, you keep your choke all the ways open.
For the gas now, you open it.
For gasoline, you use the choke. For propane, you don't have to use the choke.
The choke is, you just
Right.
make sure that it's to the right.
So yeah, what it is, the choke sucks the gasoline out of a little cup. You got a little cup with a float in there, like in a toilet bowl with that float, and it sucks the gasoline up into the engine.
When it's closed.
When it's closed, yeah. Once it starts, then you open it up. Then you get that vacuum pulling in the engine, and it sucks the gas in a vapor.
So for the propane, we just leave.
Well, you got to make sure your
Choke's
gas
wide
is
open.
off.
Right.
And then what you got to do is purge that 3 times.
Purging is.
Well, you might not have to purge it, but you hit that button like 3-4 times.
This is the button.
Yeah,
Right on top of it. Okay.
yeah. Push it so you get a
That's the same
feel.
as-
Spring-loaded thing on the
Yeah.
left.
It's like a gas lawnmower.
Yeah,
Got a
I can hear
button,
it
you
hiss.
have to push a few times to suck the
Yeah,
gas
right.
in to
But
get
in
it
this
started.
case, you open the valve and the gas is flowing in free. In this case.
Right.
So you want to make sure you
Yeah, because-
evacuated the